Okay, I'm here at the Aesir Logistics booth. I've got Steven Scecchitano. He is the president of Aesir Logistics. First question for you, Steven. Talk about some of the big wins that you've had here amongst the GAWDA members.
Yeah, thanks. It's been great. We're expanding quite rapidly. We're adding trucks, equipment, terminals, and employees. We're getting a lot of really good wins here from the distributors.
Awesome. Next question would be, like, if you are growing so big at this point, how many trucks are you up to?
We're up to 15 trucks right now, and they run all across the United States, in and out of the port of Jacksonville, Norfolk, Savannah, New York, Philadelphia. Most recently, we just got our Canadian Trucking Authority.
That's awesome. I have been hearing a lot about that Jacksonville terminal. Talk a little bit specifically about that Jacksonville spot and what you're doing there.
Yeah, we're pretty pumped about that. We just officially opened it 2 months ago, and we're running drayage in and out of the port of Jacksonville and also hitting the port of Savannah on the way up to the northeast. And we have a warehousing capability there as well.
It's awesome. So aside from just gas, I know that you do haul gas, but for some of the suppliers in the room that may be a hard goods supplier, talk a little bit about how you would help them.
Yeah, we're hazmat focused. That's always what I tell everyone. We can move any hazmat molecule around the world, or on a truck, on a plane, or on a ship, but we can also move non-hazmat material like compressors, pipes, valves, fittings, gloves, PPE.
It's awesome. All right, last question for you. It seems to be a growing segment that you're in. Transportation and logistics has become a hot item here for other suppliers. Talk about why Aesir over some of the other guys that have just joined.
Yeah, well, first of all, it's great to see new members joining GAWDA. I'm really happy to see that. But, what sets us apart is our experience and knowledge in the hazmat industry. The fact that we are asset-based, we are not a broker. We own our own trucks. We don't have any owner-operators. They're all W-2 employees.
It's awesome. There you go. Quick update here from Steven from Aesir Logistics. Thank you so much, Steven, for everything that you do for us at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. It's always great to see you. You're becoming a regular here, so it's awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.